If there's one place in the Philippines that will always have a special place in my heart, it's Palawan. We've been lucky to see many beautiful destinations, but nothing quite compares to the breathtaking paradise that Palawan is. For the longest time, I promised myself that once I had the chance, I would bring my parents here so they could experience the incredible place too. And in this trip, that promise finally came true. Join us as we explore the stunning islands of El Nido, Palawan with our family. If you're planning a family trip to El Nido, this vlog is perfect for you. Come along as we experience the famous El Nido Island Hopping Tour A, discover crystal clear lagoons, and create unforgettable memories together. If you find this vlog helpful for planning your own trip, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more travel adventures with us. Tara! We're after the next stop. We arrived at the PPS airport around 3 a.m. and I booked a private van for our family for 7,000 pesos. I booked this through Tripidito. If hindi kasi kayo magpa-private van, you have to be ready to wait until morning hanggang mapuno ang van. Originally, 4,800 pesos lang ang binayad ko for all of us sa sharing na van. Pero I upgraded to a private van transfer para na rin sa comfort ng family. Yun guys, so nag-stop over kami kasi namili kami ng mga seafood, ayan o, sa likod. So namili kami ng mga seafood. Kasi sobrang mura, 50 pesos lang per kilo. Sa Manila, di ba, mahal yan? So yun, siguro mga 1 hour pa bago tayo makarating ng El Nido. Travel time from PPS to El Nido is 4 to 5 hours. After the long drive, we finally arrived at our accommodation, which I booked through Airbnb. It's located just 10 minutes from the El Nido town proper, and honestly, it was such a great find. The property is called VJB Homestay, and I booked it for only 26,000 pesos for 9 people for a 5-day and 4-night stay. Inside, they have a very spacious living area na sobrang presko kasi maraming bintana na pwede mong buksan to let the natural air come in. They have plenty of seats inside too, smart TV, and electric fan. In the kitchen area, they have dining table, kitchen with basic cooking equipment and utensils, refillable gallon of water, refrigerator. They also have bathroom here sa baba pero hindi ko na na-videohan. And they also have a dirty kitchen just outside the main kitchen area. Now let's head upstairs, where you'll find the bedrooms. It's nice that this area also has a window that lets natural light come in. Inside bedroom number 1, there are 2 queen-sized beds, comfortably accommodating 4 to 6 people. I also appreciate that the room comes with towels and basic toiletries. The room also has its own veranda, where you can simply relax after a long and tiring day of tours. Just look at how peaceful it is. Quiet, relaxing, and away from the busy crowd. While the living area downstairs is not air-conditioned, the bedrooms upstairs are fully air-conditioned, so you can rest comfortably and sleep well at night. Now let's move on to bedroom number 2. This room is a bit smaller, which is why it has a double-decker bed instead of 2 separate beds. But it can still comfortably accommodate 4 to 6 people, just like the first bedroom. It also has a convertible sofa bed and they provide extra linens for it as well. Here upstairs, there's also another bathroom, which is the same size as the one downstairs. Honestly, I have no complaints about their bathrooms. If you like to book this place, just head over to the description box for more details. On our first day, we didn't do much except eat and rest for the long journey getting here. But look at these fresh lobsters and crabs that were delivered all the way from Balabac. If you remember our Balabac vlog, our local friends there were the ones who helped arrange for these amazing seafoods to be set here. So yes, it turned into a full-on seafood feast for the family. After that long ride, it was absolutely worth it. Just look at the seafood feast. And this was us during dinner time. Since our first day was mostly about resting and eating, I don't have much to show yet except clips of us enjoying food from lunch all the way to dinner. But honestly, it was the perfect way to start the trip, especially since we got the rest we needed before our much awaited island tours in the coming days. So yun, good morning guys. Right now, of course, second day na natin, no? Alam nyo naman na dumating tayo kahapon. Kagabi, nag-dinner lang kami. Tapos, nagpahinga din. Wala, doze off talaga kami lahat. Kasi nga, puyat kami, di ba? Kasi doon sa airport ang aga natin. Pero yun, ngayon, second day natin, mag-start tayo ng tour. Tour A tayo ngayon. So, pupunta tayo sa port around 8 a.m. So, ngayon is only 6:32 a.m. So, mahaba-baba yung oras. Kain muna kami ng almusal. And then, saka kami pupunta doon sa port around 8 a.m. Kasi malapit lang naman tayo dun sa port. Actually, 10 minutes away lang naman to. Papunta dun sa port. So, kahit umalis kami dito mga 8:15, ganun, pwede pa rin. So, yun guys. Pag-tour tayo ngayon, tour A. Nagre-ready na sila. Okay na yung mga gamit namin. Mag-almusal na lang lahat. And then we're ready to go. Our tour starts at 9 a.m. So we made sure to arrive at the port around 8:30 a.m. just to be safe. Since the tour package doesn't include pick-up and drop-off from our accommodation, we had to look for a tricycle going to the port. The ride took us about 20 minutes and we paid 250 per trike. We booked our tours with Tripitito and we got a great deal for 3,600 pesos per head for both Tour A and Tour C. Since I had the agency arrange everything for us, the rate already included both tours per head. Just a quick heads up though, for today we're only doing Tour A, while Tour C is scheduled on our third day. The two tours can't be done on the same day because each tour covers 5 islands, which would be too much to squeeze into one trip. Both packages already include boat transfers and a free-flowing lunch, so it's really sulit for the price. This is a shared tour, so you'll see other guests joining us as well. I didn't book for a private tour since it's significantly more expensive. And honestly, we don't mind sharing the experience with other travelers.
Your attention, ma'am, sir. So I'm gonna give you a short briefing regarding to our island tour today. Once again, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today, ma'am and sir?
All good.
Good.
Are you excited to our tour?
Yes.
It's your first time, ma'am, sir. Yes. Okay, ma'am, sir. I would like to say thank you so much for choosing Iloilo to be a part of your vacation. So by the way, we have a boat captain here. Boat captain Alden. Good morning.
Good morning.
And also we have a 2 lifeguard at the back. Kuya Marjo, good morning. And Kuya Erne. Good morning, Erne. Also, since you are 23 person, right, Caramel? So we have 4 local tour guide from El Nido, okay? So by the way, my name is Kuya Christian, so one of your tour guide today. Also my co-tour guide, Kuya Ramel, good morning. Also my other co-tour guide, Kuya Romnek and Kuya Chris. So we have 7 people here on board in your boat, okay? So by the way, ma'am, sir, the name of our boat, Christiana number 2, okay? Don't forget the name of our boat because in the island, there's a lot of boats, same size, same color, but the name is different, okay? So once again, ma'am, sir, what the name of our boat?
Krishana too.
Okay, so ma'am, sir, today we're doing Tour C.
Oh, to see.
Tour A, yes, I'm just asking. Okay, so Tour A, ma'am, sir, is composed of 5 different stops. So we have a 2 lagoon, 2 beaches, and 1 snorkeling area, okay? In every stop, ma'am, sir, we have a rules and regulation that we need to follow po. So first one, we are not allowed to collect any kind of marine life. Like sand, shells, stone for souvenir is not allowed. Okay, the second one, we are swimming, we are while swimming, so we are not allowed to stand or step at the top of the waves. Why, ma'am, sir? Because
Yes,
we
sir.
do a lot of searching, carnum stones, poisonous po under the sea. But better about 3 meters from the ground po pag nagsuswim. Okay? Then the third one, ma'am, sir, if you are not a good swimmer, don't forget where your life is. By the way, place your hand if you are not a good swimmer. Don't be
Not a good
shy.
swimmer, not a good swimmer.
Not a
Raise
good
your
swimmer,
hand.
raise your hand.
Taasan kamay, hindi marunong lumangoy.
Yan. Meron
Not a
na
good
marami.
swimmer.
So later, ma'am, sir, we have a snorkeling or swimming area, so don't forget where your life is. Okay?
Okay.
At for all now, ma'am, sir, thank you for listening. Magbuhay po kayo. So our first stop is 7 Commando. It's about 15 minutes from here. Okay? Welcome aboard and mabuhay po kayo lahat.
So we're here in our first destination with the baby. This is the 7 Commando Beach. 7 Commando Beach. So aalis yung mga natin, so we have to go down. Tapos si daddy magpapalipad lang ng drone. Nakababa na rin sila lahat. Nagpapalobo kasi siya nung inflatable eh.
Been through the fire, but still did shine. Rain couldn't drown me, dry design. Every scar proof for the constant climb. Oh, them can't still what they know is truly mine. Oh, see glory run from pain divine. My spirit so clean, my soul aligned. A bad mind, premise to this man. My life a movie, victory style. Let me see the dark days, still me never fade. When life tests me, me never trade. Turn setback to a sweet serenade.
Pagod na ikaw? Ha? Bakit? Picture kayo? 1, 2, Kali ka na! Peace! Kali! Eto! Kali! Thumbs up na lang daw. Ang daming tao na. Guys, it's super windy dito sa 7 Commando. Sobrang hangin niya at the same time, marami na rin guests. Kasi kayo nung dumating kami, wala pa halos guests. Kami pa lang. Pero ngayon, dumami na yung mga turista. And guys, di ba, nag-coron din kami with family. Sobrang swerte naman namin ngayon. Kasi sobrang naman, which is good. Hindi siya masakit sa balat kasi mahangin naman, malamig kasi pinahangin. So, very lucky tayo ngayong punta namin dito sa El Nido. Thank you, Lord. Tour 8 tayo ngayon guys ha. Ay, nung na-mention ko na kanina. So, yan, ito yung unang stop natin. 35 minutes na tayo dito. And then, transfer na din tayo agad ata sa next island after. And then, lunch time. And then, 3 stops pa ata, I guess. So, yun.
A bad mind, premise to this man. My life a movie, victory style.
So guys, we're here in Big Lagoon. We're here in Big Lagoon. And papasok ka din kasi dun sa lagoon na yun. Ayun o. Hindi ba? Basta doon, may pasukan doon. Ayun. Basta papasok doon. Tapos, in order for you to get inside the lagoon, dapat mag-rent ka ng kayak. So, yung kayak is 300 pesos. 2 tao na yun. Tapos, pag 3 tao, 500. So, eto na sila mama. Nauna na sila. pag ganun. Ah, bate, bate.
Kaya yung kalak kita. Takbo kayo. Kaya naman, kanan lang, ay kaliwa lang, kaliwa, kanan.
Madaan-daan na. Tenors.
Yung bata. Bigla. Huwag mo na lang siya na
Sige, sige, sumakay ka. Aabot namin.
Hindi.
Ano yung bata?
Oh, no, kali, go, go, go. Go to kuya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wait lang, picture muna kayo. 1. Ma.
Alis na kayo? Wait lang, pasakay mo namin ito, isa lang. Isa lang.
Dali lang. Kulang ma'am, upo.
Diretso po lang, diretso po. Ma'am, talikod guys kayo, talikod.
Kulang ma'am, kaya. Hindi siya.
Makawit na na.
May bata pa ma'am.
Oo, sana eh.
Forward ma'am konti. Aray.
Wait lang.
Ma'am, forward ka, forward.
Paano yung bata?
Ano nyo lang, kalungan nyo lang. Malaki sa kaya, tanay natin eh. Okay, kaya?
Sa akin si Ishan.
Doon na lang daw sa isang sa likod.
Dali lang.
Huwag ka na maghawak, ma'am. Huwag ka na maghawak.
Huwag ka masyado magkakit yan ma'am. Upo na kagad. Hindi, upo na.
Sit down.
Balance lang sira. Balance. Dito sir, dito sir. Kailanganin lang.
I feel the warm wind blow. Spring is at my window, where nobody knows my name. can't find me at all. Can't reach me, can't see me. You can't find me at all.
So, nasa Shimizu Island kami. Dito na rin ata magla-lunch, kuya, no? Ito ba? Dito na magla-lunch. So guys, nakatawid na tayo dito sa Shimizu Island. So Shimizu daw yung tawag kasi parang it means fine island or something like that. Basta ganun yung sabi. So yun, malakas nga alon guys, sobrang lakas. Yan. Lakas din yung hangin, pero clear naman yung skies. So we're here in Secret Lagoon. So dito sa Secret Lagoon, tulog to eh, hindi siya makakasama. Pati po si Daddy na makakasama. So kami na lang, baba kami.
Oo, kasi pag
Pababahatak lahat. Habang sa dikit-dikit. Ako na kayo siya. So kailangan namin gumanito. Guys,
Para ma-experience.
para daw makatawid kami sa Secret Lagoon. Kailangan naming matulog. So, para kami mga lobster na pinapatulog. Grabe, ang tirik yung araw. Si Daddy hindi sumama eh, kasi tulog si Kali. So siya yung bantay. Kuya, parang kaya naman na namin maglakad. Okay, sige.
Lalim po.
Ay,
okay, dito pwede na po.
okay, pwede na daw po.
Actually, kaya naman siya lakarin, kaso mabato nga lang.
Ay, mo ba to?
Day-day
Kasi nga nang hinihila.
Hawak kayo sa isa't isa.
Hawak. Ibay ng paa. Ma'am, paunahin natin sa mama. Hindi kaya na lang.
Iwan na daw siya na kay Pagyan.
Wala.
Stand up. Ito lang. Stand up. Don't call her. May bato dyan. Tayo lang eh. May bato matalas. Hawak ka kami. Bato na parang kapila. Hindi ano. Wait lang ang una.
Sige.
Stay one na.
Dito tayo. Doon kayo, doon kayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ah, so pagpalabas, ganun din, no ma?
Here, I think you know the stalactite and stalagmite, right?
Yes.
Okay, the person that is a combination of stalactite and stalagmite, but the formation is like a head of the bird. You see that?
Saan? Ay! Bakit kasi? Where?
Kaya parang ulo ng eagle.
Ah, yeah. Eto. Ayan daw. Para siyang ulo ng eagle.
Urong ka doon, ilagay mo sa south.
And the second formation, okay, that is the stalactite, but the formation is like a head of the crocodile looking down. You see that?
Ayun daw.
Ito. Okay, naka-drop.
Okay? And the last one
Ma'am,
is the last supper.
Saan?
dito.
Ah, oo nga. Meron ng last supper. Ayun ma.
Okay, so about the water naman tayo dito, okay? Everyone, do not taste the water here, okay?
Dala.
The water here
Tapos
is
na.
100% divided of 3. They have a 60, 30, and 10%. The first one, 6% of salt water, 30% of fresh water, and the last 10% is urine.
Wiwi. Kasi na.
Do not call it a secret anymore. Okay? So,
Fresh water. Kaya malamig
yung may
na.
mga pamilya mga
Hi! Tulog muna kami sandali ah.
Tenor, sipiti mo naman yung katawan ko. Kinukuhanan ko na kayo eh. Mawawala ako.
Ipitan lang to.
Follow through, take your time. You move like water and taste like wine. You're holier than I am. Holier than I am.
And also everyone, thank you for trusting to my team, Christiana Travel and Tours and also Trinity Travel and Tours. And so by the way, by everyone, so I hope you will be enjoyed. Okay, so by the way, so everyone, so before you down to the boat, check all your things. Do not leave your things under your chair. All the snorkel you can borrow, please return them. Okay?
So guys, ang dilim, sorry. Ayan. So, nakaligo na kami. Actually, kaya na pa kami nakauwi. Around, 4 PM, nakauwi na kami dito sa BNB. So, ngayon, nakaligo na kami lahat, ganyan. Ginawa pala namin na dati. Hindi ko na na-videohan. Dito sa gilid namin, merong nagtitinda ng sobrang murang seafood. As in, sobrang mura. Bumili kami ng talakitok kasi yung haba na itong braso ko, ganyan. 235 lang. Ang laki talaga, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Tapos bumili din kami ng liempo na worth 285 per kilo. Sobrang mura lang din. So, bumili kami ng mailuluto for dinner. Nakatipid kami. Overall, ang worth na nabili namin, kasama yung bigas, tsaka yung mga rekado, tsaka yung liempo, tsaka yung isda, 1,000. As in, sakto. Sinakto namin. Bumili pa kasi kami ng uling. So, yung 1,000 na yun, good for 8 packs na siya. Kasi diba kami, buong family kakain. So, ganun siya kamura. Minarinate ko na yun. Ako nagmarinate nung liempo. Kasi talagang may timpla ako nung liempo. Tapos yung isda, si Dad na yung bahala. Pero si Daddy ngayon yung nag-iihaw dun sa likod. Pupuntahan natin. Ayan, nag-ihaw siya dito. Pwede kasi mag-ihaw dito eh. Meron silang ihawan.
Hindi, lagay ko to sa kama. Mag-iihaw pa ako eh.
Gusto mo ako na di? Sarap. That's a wrap for our first and second day. I hope to see you guys still on the second part of our vlog as we do tour sea and land tour to the famous Nakpan Beach and other beach destinations nearby. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. We put so much effort into improving our contents so we can show you how beautiful our destinations are. And it'll be our pleasure to see our subscribers grow. You can also go ahead and check us in Facebook and Instagram. So paano? Hanggang dito na lang muna. See you!